What happens when Mack trucks, the kings of heavy-duty power, decide to build a motorhome? You get a 6x6 fortress that can cross deserts, climb mountains, and still feel like a luxury penthouse. Welcome back to Drive Rain, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews of the most powerful, luxurious, and adventurous vehicles in the world. Today, we're exploring a true engineering masterpiece, the 2026 Mack 6x6 motorhome. A heavy-duty beast that redefines what it means to live on the road. This is not your typical RV. This is a full-fledged expedition motorhome built for those who want to go beyond the limits of civilization while still enjoying five-star luxury. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll be diving into its design, interior, engine and performance, cutting-edge technology, safety systems, pricing, financial considerations, customization options, key advantages, and of course, our final thoughts on why this might just be the ultimate overland motorhome for American adventurers. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Mack 6x6 motorhome looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. A towering, commanding presence on 6 massive wheels that combine rugged durability with striking modern design. Built on the Mack Granite HD chassis, this motorhome features an all-aluminum body reinforced with military-grade steel for durability, making it capable of withstanding extreme terrains and climates. The exterior lines are clean and muscular, complemented by adaptive LED headlights, a panoramic windshield, and a raised cab over section that maximizes aerodynamics despite its massive proportions. The 6x6 drivetrain ensures stability even on unpaved trails, and the massive all-terrain tires add to its intimidating stance. The exterior also integrates practical features like roof-mounted solar arrays, hydraulic slide-outs, a retractable awning, and external storage compartments designed for adventure gear. Every angle of the Mack 6x6 exudes authority. It's as if luxury and military precision merged into one unstoppable machine. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Mack 6x6 motorhome is a complete contrast to its rugged exterior, a serene sanctuary that rivals the comfort of high-end penthouses. Mack has gone all in with craftsmanship and ergonomics. Here, as you step through the power-operated entry door, you're greeted by a spacious open-plan living area wrapped in premium leather, sustainable wood accents, and soft ambient LED lighting. The driver's cockpit is futuristic with dual digital displays that control navigation, vehicle status, and terrain management. Behind it, the living area features a full recliner lounge, a 55-inch smart OLED TV with surround sound, and panoramic windows for breathtaking views of nature. The kitchen comes fully equipped with solid surface countertops, induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size refrigerator, and even a dishwasher. The sleeping quarters include a queen or optional king-size bed, hidden storage, and noise-canceling insulation for total privacy. The bathroom feels like a luxury spa with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and marble effect finishes. The overall interior design balances function with finesse. It's built to make off-grid life feel like a luxury resort experience. Now, when we talk about engine and performance, the 2026 Mack 6x6 motorhome absolutely dominates its class. Under the hood, it houses a Mack MP813L turbo diesel engine, delivering a staggering 600 horsepower and 2,060 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 12-speed M-drive automated transmission, this setup is built for endurance and brute strength. Capable of hauling up to 30,000 pounds and climbing steep inclines without breaking a sweat, the 6x6 configuration distributes power across all wheels, providing unmatched traction and control even on mud, snow, or desert terrain. Mack's advanced air suspension and hydraulic leveling system ensure a smooth, comfortable ride, while the adaptive terrain management system adjusts torque delivery and suspension stiffness based on road conditions. Despite its enormous size, the Mack 6x6 drives with surprising agility thanks to precision steering and torque vectoring. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling mountain passes, this machine delivers a sense of authority and power that few vehicles can match. But here's where things get wild. This isn't just a motorhome. It's an AI-powered expedition base that thinks for itself and keeps you connected anywhere on Earth. In terms of technology, Mack has equipped this motorhome with some of the most advanced systems you'll find in any vehicle today. The central command hub features a 15-inch touchscreen that integrates climate control, lighting, energy management, and off-grid monitoring. The vehicle's onboard AI assistant provides voice-activated control for navigation, diagnostics, and entertainment. The 2026 model also introduces the Mack Smart Grid Power Management System, combining solar energy, lithium-ion battery storage, and an auxiliary diesel generator for true energy independence. The camper includes satellite connectivity, 5G Wi-Fi, and a smart infotainment ecosystem compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Remote cameras provide 360-degree surveillance, while the driver's seat features a head-up display with augmented reality roof projection. Everything about the technology in this motorhome is designed to make exploration seamless and intelligent. It's a fully connected home on 6 wheels. When it comes to safety, the Mack 6x6 motorhome doesn't cut corners. Its heavy-duty chassis offers exceptional crash protection, and the 2026 model includes an enhanced suite of active safety features. The vehicle comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and descent control. The reinforced steel cabin includes energy-absorbing crumple zones and multiple airbags for driver and passenger protection. Additionally, Mack has added off-road specific safety systems such as rollover prevention sensors, tire pressure monitoring for all 6 wheels, and thermal imaging cameras for improved night visibility. The braking system uses air disc brakes on all axles paired with regenerative braking to improve efficiency. In short, the Mack 6x6 motorhome ensures not just comfort and power, but peace of mind for every journey, whether you're driving through city streets or the untamed wild. Let's talk price. The 2026 Mack 6x6 motorhome starts at around $680,000 and can exceed $850,000 with full luxury customization and off-grid packages. Yes, it's a significant investment, but considering what you're getting, a motorhome that can go virtually anywhere while offering the comfort of a mansion, it's worth every penny for serious adventurers and luxury travel enthusiasts. When compared to other super luxury expedition motorhomes like the Earthroamer SX or Global Expedition GXV, the Mack offers superior towing power, more customization potential, and a much stronger chassis built to handle decades of use. This is not a motorhome that depreciates quickly. It's a long-term asset that holds its value thanks to its build quality and capability. From a financial standpoint, owning the Mack 6x6 motorhome can actually be surprisingly practical in the long run. The Mack MP8 diesel engine is built for millions of miles of service, meaning maintenance intervals are long and engine longevity is exceptional. Many buyers see this as a hybrid investment, part travel machine, part long-term property. Mack offers an extensive warranty package, including a 5-year, 100,000-mile drivetrain warranty and extended coverage options. Fuel economy, while not its strongest point, averages around 8 miles per gallon, which is respectable for a vehicle of this scale. Furthermore, business owners or full-time travelers may qualify for tax deductions by classifying the motorhome as a mobile office or business vehicle. The value proposition of this motorhome is less about affordability and more about the lifetime return, comfort, durability, and freedom without compromise. The advantages of the 2026 Mack 6x6 motorhome are impossible to ignore. It's one of the most capable luxury expedition vehicles ever built, combining brute strength with elegance and comfort. Few competitors can match its 6x6 traction, engine power, and sheer durability. The living quarters offer top-tier comfort, while the technology ensures you're connected and self-sufficient anywhere on the planet. Whether you're traveling across deserts, climbing into the Rockies, or setting up camp on a beach in Baja, the Mack gives you total freedom to live and explore without limitations. It's a vehicle that symbolizes independence, power, and luxury all in one commanding package. So the only question left, is this the future of luxury travel, or has Mack just built the world's most unstoppable house on wheels? In conclusion, the 2026 Mack 6x6 motorhome stands as one of the most extraordinary motorhomes ever created. A perfect blend of engineering might and refined luxury. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement about how far technology and design can take us when we dare to imagine adventure without borders. For those who crave ultimate freedom, unmatched capability, and a life lived beyond the pavement, this motorhome delivers everything you could possibly want. If you're in the market for a rolling fortress that offers the power of a Mack truck and the luxury of a high-end resort, the 2026 Mack 6X6 is your perfect match. Thank you for watching Drive Rain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dive reviews into the world's most impressive machines. Until next time, this is Drive Rain, where power meets passion and every road leads to discovery.